What were the biggest gaps you saw between the two that companies, a software company could learn from as well as a customer?
Well, it's funny. I was seeing gaps between what industry was providing, what customers needed back when I was still in college at TriMech. I was realizing that some software developers without experience um, back in the 90s were a little bit tone deaf. So I really had to get on the factory floor. I think one of the hardest things for software companies to understand is the diversity in the ways that uh, companies operate. Small and medium-sized businesses, for example, are very misunderstood. It's really difficult to get qualified research information about them because these are people with a whole lot less resources trying to do the same thing as bigger companies. They just don't have the time, the money, the tools, the IT support to do some of these things. So these processes it's the Wild West out there.